Indiana, northeastern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time at 10:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Wakarusa, or 7 miles southeast of Mishawaka, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wakarusa around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Napanee and New Paris around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Syracuse around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Webster around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Jimtown, Oakwood Park, Benton, Waterford Mills, George Lake, Lake Wawasee, 4 Acre, Locke, Gravelton, and Southwest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart and Kosciuszko. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for